What is up, Teachers on Fire? Today I want to show you how to manipulate images just a little bit better in your Google Docs. If you've ever been frustrated by this, you know that sometimes, at least in the past, that's been a tricky job. And I may be able to show you a couple of small tips here that might help. So let's open a learning activity that we've got here in Google Docs. This is something I've actually used fairly recently. Don't critique me too hard, but I'm walking my 7th grade ADST students, that's Applied Design Skills and Technology, through a planning stage, a planning process for their short film project. So let's say that I want to be that fun teacher, and maybe students feel like these Bitmojis are overdone at this point, but let's say that I want to add a Bitmoji. So I'm going to copy image from my Bitmoji Chrome extension and paste it right. Let's say I want it to go basically here. So I try to paste it here, and right away we have a problem. So it blows up my tables. So I resize it, and then I see it's still over there and I can't drag it, I can't move it. So I can try to orient it this way. That helps, but it's still not sort of going over top of the table. And this is one of the problems that you used to have. You would try to put it over top of the table and it would just sort of push the table down. You can try to put it over top and then it's inside the table and we're like, I can't manipulate this the way that I want to. Well, now we've got in front of text. And so we should be able to, there we go. That's what I want. Fixed position on page. So we choose those two features, over text and fixed position on page. And now I can sort of just adjust things and keep the page frozen. So just with those two quick tweaks to my image, now it's a whole lot easier. And that's really all I wanted to show you. So again, it's in front of text and fixed position on page. And now I can move around my document and adjust my tables, and my Bitmoji looks a whole lot more, not organic, but it looks like it fits a little bit better. I hope that helps and makes your planning and your Google Doc preparation a little bit more sane. Have fun. Let me know how that goes. And if this was helpful in any way, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much.